The 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc brings sharper styling, smarter tech, and refined performance. Design: a new grille, slimmer LED headlights, sporty bumpers, alloy wheels, and two-tone color options give it a modern, muscular look. Interior: the cabin feels more premium with soft touch materials, a 10.25-inch digital display, new touchscreen infotainment, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus optional ambient lighting and Beats audio. Practicality: comfortable for 5 with 445 L of boot space, expandable to over 1200 L. Engines and drive: choices range from a 1.0L turbo to a 2.0L TSI with 110 to 300 plus HP. Available manual or DSG automatic, optional all-wheel drive, and adaptive suspension. Safety and efficiency: equipped with IQ. Drive features like adaptive cruise, lane keep, and emergency braking. The 1.5 TSI delivers around 45 mpg,